What is up, guys? We back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at these two iPhone 14 Pro cases by Humixx. Now, shouts out to them for sending these over. You guys know that I'm very appreciative of whatever I get right here on this channel that I can share with you guys, all right? So, real quick, you guys know I don't own an iPhone 14 Pro, but I will be using the Boss Lady's iPhone 14 Pro for this video. I'm going to show you guys where you can pick these bad boys up, show you guys the price. I take these out of this box. We'll take a look at them, throw them on the iPhone 14 Pro, and then we'll go from there, all right? Let's get to it. All right, so if you're looking for these cases right here, you can find them right here on Amazon. I will throw a link up in the description, but the price right here, it says $18.99, and you do get a 5% off coupon. Now, I got to say something real quick. Even though it says 5-in-1, the ones that I have aren't the 5-in-1. This 5-in-1 seems like it comes with a additional camera lens protector as well as a screen protector. That's what it's looking like. But at the same time, the ones that I have is this same type of case. It just doesn't have the screen protector and the camera protector, all right? But for $18 and 99 cents, and you can get 5% off. I got the clear one and the black one here. I think the clear one is about 17 bucks. You really can't beat that, all right? Right here it says case for the iPhone 14 Pro. You get one iPhone 14 Pro case. In this pack, it says you're gonna get 2 tempered glass screen protectors and a camera protector as well, all right? So I would highly suggest you guys go and take a look at this, especially as being able to save 5% off and getting all of that for about 18 bucks, all right? Full protection right here, military grade protection. It says excellent impact resistant, airbag upgraded, 99% impact reducing grooves. All right, we got enhanced protection for your screen and your camera. Like I say, this pack that I have didn't come with that, but I'm more than 100% sure this is the one to get right here though, all right? Non-slippery and slam fit sensitive buttons. We got precise cutouts and so forth, all right? So with that, let's go ahead and jump into the box and then we'll get the iPhone 14 Pro, all right? Okay, so real quick, no top-down shot today, just two cases, so we don't really got to go into a full top-down, especially with both of these boxes being about the same, with nothing real significant on them. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop these open and show you guys the actual cases. So we'll start right here with the transparent case. So once you open it, there's nothing else in the box. You're going to get the case right here in a plastic little sleeve. And this is what this case is looking like. It does have a little plastic film covering over it that I have to peel off, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys just like this. But this is what this case is looking like. To me, it looks really good. It's clear. Hopefully it doesn't turn yellow like a lot of clear cases do, but you know, only time will tell. And to be honest with you guys, I showed the boss lady these cases right here, and she says she wants to use this one for the iPhone 14 Pro. So this will be her daily driver here shortly, all right? But this is what the clear one looks like. Got all your cutouts for your buttons and everything on it right here. We will put the iPhone 14 Pro in here in a hot minute, but just give me a second, all right? But this is what the cutouts is looking like. This is what it looks like without the iPhone 14 Pro in there. Let's go ahead and jump into this black one really quick. Same thing with the black one. Just nothing else in the box, just a pretty little sleeve right here. And once you take it out, this is what it looks like right here. And this one doesn't have any extra little pull tab for any protection or anything like that, but this is what this one is looking like right here. This one looks really, really nice. Hard right here as well. Hard. Kind of soft on the sides. Looks like it's gonna have some raised lips so that you can lay the phone down, but we will check that. Has a little raised edge around the camera. Both of them do actually have a raised edge, and both of them has that kind of like hard TPU. But this is what the black one is looking like, and this is what the clear one is kind of looking like right here. If I had to pick, I probably would go with the clear one, just so I could see my phone, the color of my phone. But at the same time, you can never go wrong with like a smoked one like this, because this looks like a smoked. It's not all the way clear see-through like this one. It's kind of smoked, kind of like tinted, but this black is looking good. All the buttons and cutouts are looking pretty good as well. So what I'm gonna do is get the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm gonna drop these bad boys in, and then we'll talk a little bit more about these cases, all right? Stay tuned. So first up, we have the clear case, and I'm just peeling off the plastic protective film. And at first glance, this case looks amazing with the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple. Now, all of the buttons on this case is very, very responsive, very, very clicky. You can also easily get your thumb in so that you can get to the mute toggle switch. And just looking around the case, this is the button placement. Just wanted you guys to make sure you got opportunity to see that. Case is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. You might have to wipe it down a little bit, but it is what it is. On the front, you do have a little bit of lip, so if you lay it down on the table, you will be fine. And as well as a lip on the back around the camera housing as well, so that if you lay it down, your camera will not touch the surface. Looking at the black case, same thing, but it does look nice with that purple showing outside of that camera housing. But you do also have that little lip around the rear and the front so that if you lay it down just like the clear case, you will have that protection, all right? All of the buttons were clicky on both of these cases. You can easily get to your mute toggle switch on both cases, and I think that both cases look really, really nice. And with that, guys, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a B-roll. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one, all right? Stay tuned. Peace.